windy today.
There's a lot. What was that? Yeah, it's in there.
Well, that's
Do
windy.
you see all this new growth?
Okay.
So if I was guessing person, I would say this one comes off, this one comes off, this one comes off, this one. Would you take this one off? It is going in. It's good, but this one would, hey?
You could leave it. You could
Take
leave
that
it.
off.
Okay, so this one.
So you want to take all the
This
ones
one.
that are growing inward, right? And let it grow out.
Let it grow. Now this one here,
In a couple of years' time, that
I
whole
would take
thing
the top one off and
Yeah,
leave the
this
bottom.
No,
You leave which one? So
So
you
you'll
take
take this off.
take
that
this off because
Yeah.
it's coming in.
It's too
Leave
close
that.
to that.
Oh, so it's
That one will
proximity
grow
as
up,
well.
It'll grow up together and I'll do that.
Okay,
And I start rubbing.
gotcha.
If you got, like here, you take that one off and leave
not
that
at this
one for
stage.
now.
Because this is a nice one.
It's a nice one. But next year, you have a look at it again and see what it looks like, and you'll probably have to take that one out
If it's growing.
yeah. But that one there's already dead, so you take it off.
Photo coming out here.
Um,
And this
These here, that one there comes off because it's growing past that one. And when it gets bigger, the
Yeah.
rub against
You
it
don't want
will
it
cause.
this way. Yeah.
See here too, that one there. Take that. That
Well, it was
one off.
quite lovely
Okay.
out, and then the wind just kicked
This
it
one, I would take
it was gonna
that
be
one
warmer
off.
today than yesterday.
That one's already going that way.
Oh, okay, so this way you take this middle one out,
I can
eh?
I take the middle one out.
Okay.
Beds are flying around.
Okay. Yes.
Alright, you want to go ahead and cut it off? Do you start from the top or the bottom?
Just
What
barely.
about this middle guy? Does he come out?
Yeah, I take him out.
He definitely comes out. Hey,
He's like right in the middle. Hey.
And yeah,
Yeah.
you know, it depends how
Now you must remember that your fruit is only born on last year's growth. This grew last year,
So we'll have fruit.
so it'll carry fruit, plus your leaf.
These are leaves.
Your old fruit, your old tree, like year
Yeah.
before last, will not carry fruit.
Oh, okay.
So whenever you prune, try and prune, remembering that you've got to keep as many of the old growth or last year's growth to carry fruit this year.
Daddy, would you not have cut this off yet? No, because it's the top of the tree.
Yeah, for now I wouldn't. I'd leave it, but next year I'll
He'll
take
come
it out.
off. But this can come off, right?
That can come off.
And this one. And this dude.
Yeah, I can't see. Would you like to?
And this
that one?
Daddy?
Wait,
Whoopa,
wait.
whoopa, whoopa.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so too.
This guy?
I'd leave it for now.
This one?
but this one for sure. Hey,
So this one I'll take out.
You don't like it. It's probably himself.
what about how close to the main stem?
As close
Should-
as possible.
As close as possible.
Where's my clippers that I just got?
No, those are not the ones that are.
I know, I'm saying, where are they?
Do you want to go and
No, no,
want
no,
to
no,
go
no.
fetch them?
There's some
I
here
won't get
that
this.
we've gone.
Why are you getting
That's
that
dead.
Because it's
But I've
dead.
gone.
Can I cut this dead off and make it look right?
No.
The stick things that help you.
Yeah, okay. But now you can cut it. If you can see, you see,
see
that
the knob,
that
yeah?
new knob. But there's a knob there as well.
So okay, I'm gonna cut it at the knob, right?
No, just before the knob, yeah.
Or just after the knob.
These are two. All right.
See that one there? I would take off. Take that one off.
The lower one?
The top one.
This here. Oh, all the way down. This whole thing?
Yeah.
Why?
So it has lots of space to grow.
Okay.
What about this one that's growing up into this tree?
Yes, take it off. That one's alright. I would take that horrible one off. Okay, that's fine. I'll take that one off.
Why is that one coming off?
Because it was
it's
growing straight up.
into that.
Gotcha. Okay.
I would take that one. See these two here.
Yeah.
Take
Take
that one off.
That one yard.
Can you leave that for now? Leave that for now. Can leave
There's
it for
other one
next year.
coming straight up on this side.
I would take that one off, but I would leave it this year.
Yeah, later. Not
So
now.
it will bear fruit.
Sorry, Luke.
Otherwise, you're going to get rid of all the fruit.
Right.
Kind of defeats the purpose, doesn't it?
Yeah.
You'll feel real good when you start pulling the peaches off when they just fall.
Now, once this thing starts bearing, every 6 inches is a fruit. So
Right,
if
but
you
we're not
measure
going to-
that, you measure 1, 2.
You take
We're
Only
gonna put
2
that when the
peaches on
flowers
that
come
whole
out.
thing.
Right. But only that's after the flowers come out, right?
After that, well, at the flowering.
Right. Then we're going to come in at just 6
Before
weeks.
your peaches pea size
Right.
must come off.
Right.
No, there's too much of a conglomeration. I don't want to get my stick on KW's road. See that one? I'd
Yeah,
really-
I want to keep as much fruit this year, Ed. I'm leaving a lot of pruning for next year.
okay.
We're going to really prune it back for the third growth.
Otherwise, I'd be sending the peach trees back there so they're not bearing. Because we'll cut all the fruit off. But yeah, I mean, there's 1 peach on that,
Yeah.
2 on that.
Yeah, but no, if you're holding it like that, you can have 1 there and 1 there.
On the top, yeah.
Yeah, there's 2. 1 at the bottom and then
One at the top of your
Yeah.
hand.
Very nice.
So 1, 2,
you know, be
3,
3
maybe
there.
3 on that.
2, and there's 2 on that one.
No, when you did the, because it would be here, here, and then
Yeah.
Yeah.
here.
Okay, do any of the other trees
Okay,
have to be
and then the
pruned?
top one.
Do you know anything
Yeah.
about other trees?
So 3 on this one.
No, do you know?
So it would be, I'm just using your example, so it would be here and here, and then when you bring it back up, it would be here, because this one we already counted, so it would be 3 total on this one, right?
Yeah.
I'm learning too.